Hello Pythonistas. Today we are going to start with a problem set 2 and the first program here is called as camel case. So what is camel case? Camel case is nothing but if you want to write a sentence without any space like here and all in variable name we cannot use space in variable name, right? But if you want to write one or more words in a variable name but the user should also understand, then people will use this camel case because the starting letter of all the words will be in capital letter. That is called as camel case. So this is what is preferred in many programming languages, but here in Python we always recommend snake case. Snake case means in between all the words, instead of making it as capital letter, we are going to insert an underscore so that there will be a space between all the words and it is very easy for us to read. For example, here if you can see, this is a snake case. First name means first underscore name. So it is like a snake, correct? So this is what is recommended in Python. So what they have asked us to do is, in a file called as camel.py, implement a program that prompts the user for the name of variable in camel case and output the corresponding name in snake case. Okay. So we are going to make the camel case variable name into snake case variable name. Okay, and here what they have give us in hint is string is also like list only. We can iterate the string one by one using the loops, and I hope you have already seen the loops video and you should be familiar with the for loop and while loop so that it will be easy for us to proceed with our program. Okay. Now we can start with the program. I have created a directory already for you. Now we can get the input from the user. Camel case is equal to input enter the variable name in camel case. Okay, so we have got the input from the user. Now what we are going to do is, whatever the input which we are getting from the user, we are going to convert it into snake case, correct? For that we need to check the answer. Okay, so I'm going to use a for loop now. For I in CC, so I will hold each and every letter in this CC one at a time. So for this, first I need to check if I is in capital letter or not, that is uppercase or not, because camel case is nothing but uppercase one, right? So I'm going to write if I is uppercase, I dot is upper. So if I is in uppercase, then what am I going to do is, I am going to just convert my I into lowercase and insert a underscore before that. So we need to do all these things in another variable like result variable, so that it will be useful for us. So result, I am making it as empty variable, so that here what am I going to do is, I am going to write my result is equal to result plus, I should insert an underscore because that will be the snake case, and then I should also insert the I, but the I should be in lowercase, so I dot lower. I hope this line is understood. So else if it is not in uppercase, what am I going to do? I am just going to add my result into the result itself. Result is equal to result plus I. Okay, I think this program is quite familiar or easy. Now we can just print the result. Okay, so here what will happen means, every time I pass a single letter, it is going to check if that particular letter is in uppercase. If it is in uppercase, it will convert it into lower, and then I insert an underscore, and then we will have the result value to be inserted. If there is no uppercase, then I'm just going to make the result value here. And yeah, let us check whether this particular one works correctly. Okay, before that yeah, let me check. Okay, let us check for all green smileys. So here result is an empty variable. So example, just imagine I'm going to give an input as um, good morning. Now what will happen is, okay, it has said something. Oh, it's a minor mistake. I have just made the variable as result. Okay, you can understand, right? Instead of clicking on a variable, I wrote it as a string. Okay, so good morning is going to be our variable name here. So result is going to be empty. Okay, on the first go, result will be empty. Now what will happen for I in CC means first G will be here, in the place of I, G will be here. So if I dot is supper, true or false, it is false, right? False means it will go to else result equal to result plus I. So already my result is empty, right? So empty string plus I will be G. So what will be my answer? My answer will be G alone. In the next iteration, what will happen? My I will be O. So O is again not a uppercase, so else part it will come. So already we have G. Now what will happen? In the result we have G plus, and then we are having O here. So O. So what will be in my result? GO. So it will be moving on like that. When it encounters M, already it will be GOOD. Now when it encounters M, what will happen? This supper is going to be true. If it is true, we are already having in our result GOOD, and then we will just add GOOD, and then it will add the underscore. After that M dot lower. So it will add the M here. So that now I think you can understand this snake case model. And yeah, we have all got the smileys here, and I'll submit the program and check, and you also do the same, and bye bye.